with Troy from Full Gamut Defense Arts. We're going to work on the Esquiva with a Capoeira kick. So Esquiva is escape from Capoeira. It's one of the many escapes. And we're going to make that flow into a kick, the Martelo. So this is actually good close range. If he's throwing some sort of punch, this is Esquiva. So here is Esquiva. I'm rotating, turning my hips back, and sort of drawing my center away. When I'm here, there's all sorts of options that I have. One of the first ones is Chapa. So notice how when I'm falling back, my weight is distributed, but mainly on my back. I'm here, Esquiva, here. Now the Martelo from Capoeira is a little snappier, okay, than actually rounding, but I can do a round kick version of that as well, carrying through if I wish. Here, Chapa, here, round kick, here, out, high, rotating, hands up. Look at the distance that I go away. If I need to, I just come right back, okay? Say you really foul this technique up, just use your feet. Just use your feet to recover, don't get caught there. Notice how my leg is vulnerable here from some sort of kick, okay? So that's why a lot of times you combo up with something. When you fade back, you're turning your foot back. Yep, turning that foot back, yep, absolutely.
You're not twisting or overburdening that knee. You're putting it in a strong position.
Absolutely, thank you for that point. Yeah, when you are here, it's turning it. See how that? I'm just turning, shoulder protecting my face. Okay? So that's the Esquiva. It's a great escape. We're going to go over many Capoeira escapes after this, but that's one of my favorites.
Very nice.